Everybody, just wanted to do a short video today and debunk something which it's been kind of annoying me, to be honest, in recent months. Maybe it's older than a year, but I've only heard it in recent months. The 10x developer or the 20x developer, that is complete horse. It's not a thing. It is not a thing. Okay, it might be a thing if you're comparing somebody who is barely just starting out, right? He did like a 4-week boot camp or whatever course online. If you compare that person to somebody who's working as a senior for 10 years, then obviously that, you could put a 10x or whatever x in between those two people in terms of total productivity. But in terms of comparing one senior developer with the same the same stack to another one with the same stack and saying that one is 10x the other, the only way that would be possible is if the person who is at the bottom is either not giving a damn and not actually doing any work, or he silent quit and he doesn't care all that much. But for somebody to say that you can be or you can become a 10x developer, this only feeds into the egomania that a lot of developers have nowadays. And that's why I'm doing my Billy the Egomaniacal developer series, because a lot of people are just whack. They are out of this world, right? Anyway, in order for you to believe that you can become a 10x developer or that somebody is a 10x developer, it requires you to completely disregard everything that has to do with software development. Software development is not just about the code. The code is what happens. It's what you build. And the code is how you solve the problems that you're supposed to be solving. Software development is about, first and foremost, if anybody were to ask me, what is software development about? I would say requirements understanding, planning, understanding what there is to do, what the data is, how you have to change it, how you can store it, how sensitive it is. There are plenty more things when it comes to developing than just the code itself, because you can only 10x, you can only say that it's 10x the developer if it's about the code. So yeah, I think that it's complete horse dung. And whenever you hear somebody like unironically mention 10x and how to become 10x, just know that they are just bullshit artists. I can't say the any other way. They are just dung artists. They are just trying to sell you the idea of becoming or of comparing yourself to somebody else, and putting this random mathematical equation there, like 10x, 15x, 20x, just to try and make it more hyperbolic and hype it up. It is not real. Two senior people, they will have different productivities because people are different. Some people are better at understanding requirements. Some people are better at understanding the data. Some people are better at doing hardcore algorithms and using recursion and whatever to make things compute faster and better. But you cannot put x's in between these people, and you cannot say this guy's 10x the other one. That is just stop even thinking about it. Whenever somebody says it, don't take them seriously, because it's like it has to be a joke. It cannot be serious. I'm sorry. Anyway, I hope you guys agree. If you don't, leave a dislike. If you do agree, leave a like. If you somewhat agree or you'd like to ask me something or comment, obviously leave a comment. See you guys next time. Goodbye.